What a perfect day for barbecue. Look at these juicy shrimp. Oh, hey there, little cloud. Hey, no, not my BBQ. Ow, hey, that hurt.
Huh? Oh dear, what happened to you?
The cloud ruined my barbecue.
Don't worry, I'll cook something delicious for you instead.
Onion? Barrel onion. Bell pepper. Oil. Tomato sauce. Salt. Pepper. Garlic powder. Paprika. Garlic. Tomato juice. Rice. Chicken broth.
Huh? Why is it wet? Oh no! I forgot to turn off the sink! Somebody help! Huh! At least the ingredients are still fine. Let's give this rice a BBQ twist.
Sausage. Chicken. Oil. Chili powder.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow. Delicious. Amazing. So yummy. I love it.